So this was my first attempt, and she is my pillar, Rani Rajesh. She is my mother. I lost my father when during COVID due to heart attack. So if he was here, he would be the most proudest father. I'm sorry.
He'll still be proud. He'll be seeing it from above, and he'll still be proud to have the daughter. And I'm sure he'll be showering his blessings from above.
So after that, I had financially, I was completely drained. So I should mention my friend Yuganda, who found a job for me. So it was a US-based job. I used to teach medical students as well as math student. And from that, for like 3 years, I paid my college fees, and I'm still managing now. And along with that, college fees and college exams and FMGE preparation, I had to manage everything. And I'm very happy that I passed in the first attempt.